Is your Toyota Tundra, Tacoma, or RAV4 key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. First, identify your fob's battery type, typically a CR2032 lithium coin cell, with some newer RAV4s using CR2025. Check your owner's manual if unsure. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob-specific pry tool. Carefully insert the tool into the seam of the fob and gently pry it open. Note the battery's polarity with plus and minus markings, then remove the old battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring correct polarity with plus facing up. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from about 10 to 20 feet away from your vehicle. You can purchase replacement batteries from most drugstores or online for about $5 to $10. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by cleaning the battery contacts with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol to remove any buildup. In 20 to 30% of cases, reprogramming is needed after battery replacement to resync the fob with your vehicle. Check your owner's manual or online tutorials for specific steps. Also, inspect for corrosion or physical damage on the circuit board, as this can prevent proper functioning. Environmental factors like extreme temperatures or humidity can shorten battery lifespan, so consider your driving conditions. Looking ahead, Toyota is exploring rechargeable key fob batteries that could last much longer than current ones. Smartphone integration will provide battery status alerts, helping you replace batteries before they fail. Future trends point to energy harvesting technologies that could eliminate the need for batteries entirely, making key fobs more reliable. DIY key fob repair is safe and cost-effective, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars in dealership fees compared to professional service.